I'm Jeanne Katsuro from the Classic Rock Custom and Designer Jewelry Store, and today we are going to give you ring sizing classes. We're going to be using a 2 millimeter band if we have a ring that's approximately a 2 millimeter size. First of all, we put the ring on. It slides on easy. That's a good sign. Then we're going to push up from underneath and rock the ring over your finger. This is your correct size. Oftentimes what people do is they put the ring on, it slides on easy, but they stiffen their finger and they try to take it off and they think it's too tight and they want a bigger size. Then your ring will be too large. Again, you want to push up from underneath, rock over. This is your correct ring size. This is Jeanne Katsuro from the Classic Rock Custom and Designer Jewelry Store, 570 North 6th Street in San Jose, Japantown.